Hi, my name is Rea Uy from the International Institute of Digital Marketing. So let me share with you the 3 tips to improve your brand's online presence. In this digital age where everyone is connected through the internet, it is essential for every business to take advantage of online presence. From finding the best recipe or hotel to book for the holiday, the internet is the first place consumers usually look at. Clearly, we can't deny that strengthening your brand's online presence allows you to reach a wider range of target audience and increase brand awareness and credibility. Here are some ways to improve your online presence right away. First, make your website user-friendly. It is important to give the best first lasting impression on your website. A good website is all about simplifying your content by making it intuitive for possible visitors. It should be optimized for mobile, as most people who access the internet are through their phone more than the standard computers. The menu bar should be easy to find, and all important pages are included. The most common and useful tabs are Home, Products or Services, About Us, FAQs, Pricing, and Contact Us. Ideally, it shouldn't take more than 3 seconds to load, or you might lose your potential customers by exiting your page. The second tip is to optimize your business listings. You can encourage and incentivize customers to leave some reviews on your business, as this can build credibility and traffic to your website. And lastly, you can engage with your social media followers. Creating a social media page is good, but sustaining interaction with your followers is more important. Always respond to post comments and direct messages, as these customers usually expect the brand to notice and respond. Be honest and personal in responding, as it creates a more human brand that is relatable to the consumers. Thank you for listening. For more information, visit our website www.thedigitalmarketinginstitute.org.